If you need to cancel a pending transaction on PlayStation, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console through the PlayStation website. Make sure you are using the account associated with the pending transaction. Step 2. Navigate to transaction history. Go to the settings or account management section of your account. Look for the option labeled transaction history or purchase history to view all your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Take note of the details such as the date and amount to ensure you select the correct one. Step 4. Select the transaction. Once you have located the pending transaction, select it to view more details. Look for an option that allows you to cancel or request a cancellation of the transaction. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the pending transaction. Make sure to read any messages or notifications that appear to ensure the cancellation is processed successfully. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transaction has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.